Hello, my name is Matthew Aldridge. I'm the Managing Director of igus. And we're here today at the Advanced Engineering Show, and we're speaking to many customers. It's been a really busy show for us. And there's been a lot of interest in what we can do to enable Industry 4.0 solutions. Now, igus have a few different options available to customers to help implement that at a very low price point. And that is by simply integrating some sensors, some electronics into our standard chain systems. We can give that live feedback to fit directly into Industry 4 maintenance programs. This could be a simple klaxon going off to tell you that a chain has stopped, or it could be something as complex as monitoring the electrical behavior of a cable and then feedback, those results being fed back to a central cloud-based system where the electrical behavior is compared to laboratory results. And all of these options are available now. We're not talking about concepts and things which can be done perhaps one day in the future. These are products which people can implement now using standard igus technology. There's a lot of interest in this, and the price point that we offer is extremely low, and we're having a lot of interest in that today.